Hi guys, my name is Twinkle. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do a foundation routine with the help of a brush. So for my brushes, I'm going to use the Puna store brushes and BH cosmetic brushes. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin foundation. And for my concealer, I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. So for the first step, it's really important to hydrate your skin and hydrate as well as apply a primer. So I have really interesting product. It's the Good Molecule silicone free priming moisturizer, and this is how it looks like, and it comes with a pump packaging. So I just used one pump on my face and you can see this glow. It's all because of this priming moisturizer. So for my foundation, I'm going to use the flat buffing brush from Puna store, and this is how it looks like. And this also comes in a pump packaging. So I'm first going to take some product on the back of my hand. Usually I go with 3 pumps. If I have to shoot a video, I have like a different makeup routine, and if I have to go out or somewhere, I have a different makeup routine. So since I'm gonna film a lot today, I'm going to use 3 pumps. You can go with 2 to 3 pumps. I usually go with 3 because the amount of the product comes out from this pump is very small. So 3 should be okay. So first I'm going to warm the product and I'm just going to apply it on the centers, as I did the same thing in my sponge video. So I'm just going to do the same thing. And whatever is left, I'm just gonna apply it on my neck, because that is very important. And I'm gonna start blending from here, from my neck. Now by the time you blend the neck area, this particular like centers of your face gets much time to absorb the product. I'm just going to wet my brush a little bit with my setting spray, or you can use rose water. I usually prefer like any face mist or any spray, and lately this is what I've been doing and it works really well for me. So I am just going to grab my mirror. I'm gonna start blending my foundation from my center towards the end. Now, as you can see, this foundation matches me perfectly, but I have seen this, it oxidizes a little bit, not too much, but little bit, and that's what all the foundations does. So usually I go from a shade lighter to my skin tone, and then when it oxidizes, it just matches me. But this one I picked exactly the same shade, so I cannot do anything. But that's okay. I don't mind the darkness. It's okay. The second thing I'm gonna use is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, as I mentioned earlier. So I'm just going to dot this as usual and use the brush. Now for this particular thing, I like to use 2 brushes. The first one is the round contouring brush. This is more for like my under eyes and my lids. And this one is more for like eyebrows and lips and all of that. So first I'm going to use this one, and I would let the concealer sit for about 2 or 3 seconds, the time while I'm blending this. The areas where I want more coverage, I would let it sit and I'll just blend the other areas first. So as you can see, this brush is not working for me on my lids. So I'm gonna switch the brush and I'm going to use the round contour brush. So now I'm gonna set my whole base with the help of a powder. Now you can use any powder. I'm just going to use the Urban Color compact powder. And I usually like to set my under eyes with the help of a brush like so. This is like a tapered face brush. It's like flat, but it's fluffy on the top. So this just helps to cover like areas like these. And then I'll just switch the brush, swirl the brush in the powder and just go through the whole face. Never forget your neck. And I'm doing this with a very light hand, so I'm not like sticking powder to my face. Now I usually do this, I just use the setting spray after I'm done with my base. This is what I like to do because while you are doing your contour and everything, you just need your base to not move. So this is what I personally do, and personally when I'm using brushes, I like to fix my base and then move on to the other thing. So I'm gonna do that. So for my setting spray, I did use the NYX Professional Makeup setting spray in the variant Dewy. And I am going to take the same buffing brush and just set everything in. Now this one, as you can see, it is giving me like a dewy, wet sort of a finish. And this is what I like personally. If you are a matte person, then you can go ahead and use the matte setting spray. Honestly, it doesn't matter. It's up to the preference. So now I'm gonna finish the whole face and show you the final look. So this is what my base is looking right now. I haven't done any eye makeup or lip makeup, and I'm really happy about how it turned out. I just used 2 more products. The first one is the Nomad Cosmetics Kiss of a Sun highlighter, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, it's a very beautiful color. It's like a subtle champagne sort of a color, and it will look good on all the skin tones, and that's my favorite highlighter. All highlighters are my favorite. And for the bronzer, I just use a little bit of the ColourPop Talk to the Palm bronzer, and this is what I've been using every single day since the day I got it, and I just love this color. So this is how it is. It's very cute and very like sleek, and this is what the color looks like. So yeah, these were the 2 products I used, and I'm not gonna set my whole face. I still have to do my eye makeup, so that's gonna be at the end. But yeah, this is how the base looks like, and I just love how it turned out. And yeah, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and if you do recreate any looks, please tag me. I would love to repost, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.